Is it worth anything? Today I'm talking about Department 56. And quite honestly, this was not something I'd planned to do. It wasn't even on my list, but I have gotten so many requests from so many of you that I decided I pretty much had to do this video. So Department 56 was started in 1976. And of course, the first snow village was distributed in 1977. Now, over the years, they have done, of course, limited editions of all different kinds of villages. And they've done licensing agreements with companies like Disney and Peanuts and all of those things. So it's quite an extensive group of things that they have available. And I know for many of you, this is a very big holiday tradition to have these. Honestly, it's a pretty pricey collection to have. I can't imagine spending that much money on something that you have sitting out for like 2 months out of the year, and the rest of the time it sits in tubs in the basement. But I know for many of you, you're very particular about your Department 56. So one of the other things that the company released was the Snow Babies, which was in 1986. So that, of course, is something else that a lot of you have asked about. So are they worth anything? Well, selling on eBay recently, the buildings were selling for anywhere from $17 to $150. Now, most of the ones in the $150 range, those were the historic buildings that they had done. Brand new buildings were anywhere from $60 to $180 a piece. That's pretty pricey. Figurines, the little people, the dogs, things like that, they were selling for anywhere from $10 to $75. Brand new ones were $22 to $33. So obviously some of those have held their value. So that's nice. Things like the trees and the bridges and all the different accessories, they were selling for $10 to $30. Brand new ones were selling for $10 to $30. So at least they're kind of holding their value. And the Snow Babies, they were selling anywhere from $5 to $75, but most of them were selling in the $5, $10, $20 range at best. So are they worth anything? I think to most of you, the value in these is very much your holiday memories and all the enjoyment you have from setting this up and looking at it. So that's what most of the value is.